Before you can start investing in stocks and other listed financial securities on the Singapore Exchange, you first need a stock brokerage account. Step 1. Finding a suitable brokerage firm. In Singapore, there are several major brokerage firms that you can choose to open a stock brokerage account with. To determine which firm is most suitable, here are some factors to consider. Commission fees. Each time you buy and sell stocks through your stock brokerage account, you have to pay a commission fee to the brokerage firm. The commission you pay also depends on the value of each trade. Central Depository account linked or custodian account. Some brokerage firms offer their clients custodian accounts. When you buy stocks using a custodian account, the stocks are held by the brokerage firm instead of being credited to your own personal CDP account. This means that if you wish to sell these stocks in the future, you can only do so through the same brokerage firm. The advantage of using a custodian account is that commissions tend to be much lower. Payment for stocks. Some investors find it more convenient to open a brokerage account with a bank that they already have a savings account with, since payment for their investment will automatically be deducted from their existing savings account. Overseas markets. Investors who want to invest in overseas stocks should consider brokerage firms that are able to provide access to diverse overseas stock exchanges. Step 2. Apply to your preferred brokerage firm. Once you have decided which brokerage firm you wish to use, you can open an account directly with them. There are 2 ways to do so. You can apply online through the website of the brokerage firms. You need to fill in the required forms and submit the necessary documents. You can also apply in person by heading down to the branch office of the brokerage firm. Before heading down, do take note of the opening hours and find out what are the documents you need to bring. Step 3. Apply for your CDP account. If this is your first time applying for a brokerage account, you will need to open a CDP account. This is because the brokerage account that you're opening will need to be tagged to a CDP account unless you're opening a custodian account. Do ensure you meet the following eligibility criteria to open a CDP account. What's next? Once you have submitted the required documents, you have to wait for your submission to be processed. This may take a couple of weeks. If you are opening a CDP account for the first time, you will need to wait for both your brokerage account and your CDP account to be up and running before you can start investing. Information that you need before you can start trading will be sent via mail to your home address. We wish you all the best in your investment journey.